Here at Nyaung Shwe, a little north of Inle, you can rent a boat and tour the lake. Actually, a lot of locals will approach you and offer you to take you on the lake. The tour will be about 10 to 13 US dollars. That's per boat, not per person.
You will see men with traditional fishing traps on the lake. They pose for pictures and expect to get tips. Traditional paddling techniques from the old times are still preserved, like paddling with one foot and balancing on the other. Nowadays, many of the traditional boats have been replaced with noisy motorboats.
They take you to the workshops where you can see how things are being produced here traditionally and buy souvenirs. The souvenirs are kind of on a pricey side, but buying them is a good way to support local communities and get some great handmade stuff.
We have been to a silver workshop where they have finely crafted silver. I mean, this must be a huge amount of work to get one of these pieces finished. Also, we have been to a place where they make paper and umbrellas and lanterns. I also saw a place where they manufacture clothes. There's a chicken. Sidetracked. Now we're heading to the tobacco factory where they make pretty unique cigarettes, leaf-wrapped cigarettes.
This is we call shallow lake. This lake can from in the mountain. This is outside Gabber, inside is tobacco. And then tobacco made is star anise. Also different flavor. Also tobacco in banana. Also tobacco and mint. You know mint. Tobacco and cinnamon. Also tobacco and flour. Filter inside is poorly. Mine for filter.
Okay.
You can smell. This is tobacco and anise. Real cigar. Only tobacco. This is the glass. Inside is the glue is from sticky rice. You know sticky rice? This is all natural, no chemical. This is for you know filter. The filter inside is for wine.
Unfortunately, due to farming and pesticides, the water here has become undrinkable. So everybody needs to buy the water, and that's what that looks like.
It was interesting to see the workshops, but it was even more interesting to see the houses where these workshops are located. And what we love the most, I think, is just riding this boat over the lake. We followed the same road that everybody followed, but we were in our own boat and we could tell our boatman to stop when and whenever we liked. For instance, to take pictures of fishermen.
We are on Inle Lake doing a sunset tour. Well, the sunset unfortunately today isn't very spectacular, but we managed to get some nice drone video. Yeah, we just launched a drone from our boat and we were filming nicely, and this drone has a setting where it returns automatically after a certain battery level was reached, and then it hit 20% and I was like, oh my god. It started to go back again to the landing spot, so we kind of freaked out because it wanted to land somewhere in the water, but thankfully it can be cancelled still, so that was nice. So we catched it at 15% battery or something like that.
I like that it was just us now. It's really quieter now. If you compare it to the morning hours where everybody is doing the excursions.
Did you enjoy it?
I enjoyed it. I thought, yeah, well, I would really love to have a lake house. Just live there surrounded by waters and see the seagulls every morning and evening. Balch and I are on the horseback riding trip close to Inle Lake, and I'm wearing fancy Hello Kitty casket. And we are riding kind of local horses that we were told have Mongolian origins. We are close to the tobacco plantation. We just stopped tobacco drying.
So you are riding really fast here on the plateau, which is a lot of fun. And I think Dasha wants to have a go with this horse as well.
Yes.
So let's give her the chance.
And unexpected thing on the road here. Ah, now we have the beautiful view.
Horses are really great. We love the trail, it's very interesting scenery. You go out into the hills, you get a nice overview. You can see Inle Lake from above. There's banana plantations, there's a Buddhist temple.
So we are going back after our ride.
Have a look at the saddles.
So the saddles. This thing actually is after you ride 2 hours, it's kind of you can feel it. But other way.
Nice floral design.
The owner of Inle Horse Club told us that his father-in-law used to have a horse cart business in the region. 5 years ago, he and his wife started offering horseback rides, and soon they got a development grant from a British foundation. I guess that's why the paddock is decorated with British flags.
Kenny is riding just another horse. We have ridden about 4 horses now. How many horses did you ride here?
3.
Really?
Thank you.
We are enjoying some smoothies after our ride.
And fruit.
How's the view?
Not bad.
Somewhere in the way back over there is Inle Lake, and the city itself, Nyaung Shwe, is kind of behind there.
We are on the night food market here in Nyaung Shwe.
We are about to eat in heaven.
You can prove it because on the menu it says Heaven Fresh Juice and Restaurant. Maybe I can just quickly open this so you can get an impression of what's available here. So you got appetizers, soups, noodles, fried rice, rice salad. Oh my god, they have a lot. The salad is a 1,500 to 2,000 depending on what kind of salad you're getting, so that's 30 to 40 cents.
And the main
Thank
course is lounge bandolier.
Look at that, our food is here. Avocado juice. I think this is the watercress salad. We are at the Red Mountain Wine Estate near Inle Lake, and we are having a wine tasting. It smells a bit like flowers, actually, but it's very sweet taste. Oh, this is interesting. This is very unlike any other Sauvignon Blanc I had before. Next up we have a Pinot Noir from 2013. It's a bit characterless, slight minerality of the red soil of Inle's mountainous region. The beautiful freshness is underlined at the end of the mouth with a hint of lime. That's what I said. Otherwise, this vineyard is pretty beautiful from the looks of it. They keep it colorful, they have like a little waterfall and everything. It's a very nice location. It's a bit elevated, you even get to see Inle Lake in the background. Another thing you may do is to rent a bike and do a bike trip. In that way you will get to see the everyday life in the villages of the region. They got beer. Should we stop for beer?
Should we stop from here?
Oh look.
Or should we wait to go to
We need to bring you right there.
MGM? Computer Trading Center? Really?
Everybody do.